Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to take you guys on a beauty adventure and we are going to SUGARMOON salon to get a spray tan. Now I've never had a spray tan before and I'm actually not the one getting the spray tan done today. I'm actually having my friend hop in place of me and she's going to get the spray tan so I can film the video. I'm also not getting the spray tan done because I have eczema prone skin and the areas that I have a flare up, if I got a spray tan done, those areas would most likely come up patchy because the area is already rough, dry, and inflamed. So I wanted to have my friend hop in place of me in order to get a more accurate result. A spray tan is an awesome option if you are looking to add a little bit color to your skin, but you don't want to go into a tanning bed or lie out in the sun. As you know, sun rays can be very damaging. As my friend Lauren always says, wear sunscreen. But before you do your spray tan, there are some things to note down in order to help your spray tan adhere and maintain. The first thing they say is to exfoliate the day before. Make sure all the dead skin cells are off because you want a really smooth surface for them to spray onto. They also advise to shave before your spray tan in order to achieve a very smooth finish. Moisturization is great, but they recommend not to add any lotions or oils onto your skin the day of your spray tan, as it will be hard for the spray tan to adhere onto the skin. And lastly, it is recommended to wear darker, loose clothing so the spray tan sticks to your skin and not to your clothing. Now that we are all prepped up and ready for our spray tan, there's a couple things to note down. Specifically at SUGARMOON salon, you might go to a different tanning salon that actually has an automated spray tan booth, but at SUGARMOON salon, they have a technician that comes in with you and will manually spray you down. So I can't show too much of it because of course my friend is completely naked. I'm going to talk over what to expect at your appointment for your spray tan at SUGARMOON salon because there are some things that I couldn't film for you. But once you check in, they're going to bring you over to the tanning room. The technician will ask you to undress as comfortable as you are. Some people like to leave a bikini top on. Some people like to leave their bottoms on. Some people are completely nude. They do have disposable thongs for you to wear if you'd like, but the main things is make sure you don't have makeup on and make sure you have your hair up as well because of course you don't want the spray tan getting on your hair. So my friend clipped up her hair and she had no makeup on. She also wore very loose clothing to the appointment. So they're going to ask you to undress to your comfort. If you do leave a bikini top on or any kind of undies on, you will have that line because the spray tan is not going to obviously spray into your garments. Once you're undressed, you step onto these little sticky pads that they have in the spray tan booth. The technician is going to knock and come in and then she's going to start instructing you. So first they start with the face, and after the face they're going to start going down to your body. They will definitely instruct you on how the positions are. It's very funny because I actually think it's such a vulnerable procedure. Considering I get a Brazilian, literally I get waxed down there on a monthly basis, but I think this is such a vulnerable position because you're literally like standing with your arms out like this and your legs out, and then you have to move into like a different position like this. It's very interesting to see, but they need to get into all the crevices and whatnot, and my friend is actually larger chested as well, so she had to lift up her tatas and then they sprayed underneath as well. I thought it was very interesting because I was wondering as well, how are they going to get under there? So they do end up telling you to lift up and then they will spray everything down as well. I think that's what makes it a little bit better to have a technician come in with you versus doing a booth. I'm not sure if the booth will actually tell you to lift that up, but I'm sure people get spray tanned all the time, so I'm sure the instructions are very thorough. So I'm going to show you guys the footage of how the spray tan happened.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, this is the room for the tanning. My friend's gonna be in this contraption. They do have disposable undies for you in case, and my friend's getting the express tan today, so it's gonna be real quick. It's a small room, but anyways, let's get her to get naked. Hi, enjoy. Naked time. This is the brand they use.
I mean, my butt is out, but yes.
I've seen it before. Well, not yours, but I've seen one before.
She's seen more than that.
You're old. Perfect. Be really, really quick and really, really fun and maybe a little cold.
Oh, that's fine. I'm excited. I wish I could do this for my wedding, but
Well, maybe you will.
maybe you will.
Once
If you like it.
it.
See,
but I go a week before, so I don't know if it would last.
Do it the day.
You have to do it like maybe 2 days before. To start, I'm going to spray you with our pH balancer. It's going to help make the tan sort of like stick and settle really nicely. So it's going to might be a little chilly, or in the bottom of your feet.
Oh, those are
so you're going to give
sticky.
yourself some space, and you're going to have this really cute little stance with your arms. This is how we'll do the fronts and the back. To do the sides of your body, it's going to be a full body turn to one direction.
Okay.
And you're going to step forward with your back leg like this, almost into a little lunge. And you're going to do your arms like this. Like a little dance. That's how we'll do the other side as well.
I feel like I'm doing like stick figures for like.
Yeah,
It's
literally.
basically that.
Okay.
And then, I mean, I'll coach you through it,
Please,
as we
I'm
go.
probably
But
gonna
just so you know, we're doing the face as well today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I don't use makeup.
Okay,
every day,
perfect.
so.
So for the face, super simple. You're gonna turn your head to one direction, eyes closed. I'll tell you when to take a deep breath in and hold, and I'll do a quick spritz, and you can breathe out. Okay? Okay. Cool. Awesome. Let me set up your color. And just turn your palms to me. Perfect. And you're gonna turn the other way, do the same thing. There you go, just like that. There you go. You're gonna bring your arms back down and turn and face the back, okay? Perfect. Awesome. Turn and face me.
I don't know if I can bring these girls up.
Yeah, you're gonna do a little
Yeah, I thought so. I was gonna ask.
and let go. Perfect. And then hands out just like a little claw, okay? Out like this. And palms down. That's it.
Wow. I sent her home with this. It's a tan extender. And P will keep us posted on what's happening. Okay, so this is the tan after I washed it off. If you can see here, it's a little bit darker than what it used to be. Definitely not as dark as when you first apply it, for sure. Now that your spray tan is over and you are bronzed and ready to go home, your skin will feel very sticky and tacky, but it's advised to follow whatever spray tan you went to get. You should follow that amount of time for it to develop. So my friend got an express spray tan. It's advised that she showers within an hour and a half, or she can leave it up to 5 hours. The longer you leave your spray tan on, the more color that will develop. My friend wanted just a medium glow, so she showered after an hour and a half. In terms of aftercare, it is advised to moisturize your skin and avoid chemicals, exfoliating, and swimming, as those will cause your spray tan to come off faster. My friend did notice that her face and her hands came off a little bit faster, probably because she washes her face and her hands more often than having a body shower every day. By the 7th day, she did notice that her legs became a little bit patchy. So once you see that, you're probably ready for another spray tan. If you are ready for another spray tan, you should go and repeat the process to prep for your next spray tan. But typically a spray tan lasts for about 5 to 7 days. So if you are doing a spray tan for a specific event, then definitely do it the day before or 2 days before your event. That way your spray tan is looking at its best. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me to have this spray tan done. It was a lot of fun for me to watch my friend get it done because like I see like the full perspective. Thank you SUGARMOON Salon for partnering with me in this video and allowing me to come in to film. SUGARMOON will have some packages coming out in the near future, so definitely follow them on social media. I will pop their @ here, and you can also use my code, I will pop that up here as well, to receive a discount on services and products if you can't wait for those promotions to come up. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram _HelloHarley, follow me on TikTok @HelloHarley, and I will see you guys in the next beauty adventure. Bye!